At Highridge AI Consulting today, we are looking at the full end-to-end of the point of sale report and what can be done with it. Today's use case pertains to staff scheduling. So what we're looking from the extractor is to go into the report and dig through all the transactions, find what are the on-peak or off-peak times. So this assists with staff scheduling. So in this case, we have a detailed report. We're looking at two different cafes, Riverside Cafe and also the Gastown Cafe. So you can see multiple transactions, different times of the day, the amounts. So what we'll do is we're going to run this automation. What will happen is the point of sale document will be placed into Google Drives. It'll then flow into an extractor where it will pull out the information. The analysis would be done through the AI, and then it'll go to Gmail, into Sheets as well, so you can get do further analysis. And we're also going to create a management report, and that will be logged in your Google Drive as well. So let's take a quick look at the output. So this is the email. It's more of a quick touch point. You can see here that you've got the report generated, the date, the week analyzed. Then you've got the Riverside Cafe, your transactions revenue pattern, peak window, off-peak windows, same for Gastown. Then you've got some observations on the store, your takeaway, and you can also add in your link to the Google Drive here as well. So we can also see if you want to massage the data or do anything with it, you can add it into Google Sheets here. So we can see here it has come in. And then the final part of this is for management. And what management really see, you can see we've generated a report. So 310 corresponds here. So let's preview this. So it comes in, nice, well-structured document, can be sent to management, has the key information installed. So it's a really cool way to report data to the executive level, and nicely formatted. We can, change this up for whatever way you want. There's multiple use cases. It can be used for invoicing, lead management, any type of reporting queries that you can think of. We can change the inputs to generate the desired output. This is one of the automations that we're doing at Highridge. So if you have an idea around this, please get in touch.